I'm taking these classic donuts to the next level and combining two of my favorite desserts. These light and airy donuts are filled with a silky smooth coffee mascarpone cream that is spiked with a coffee liqueur and dusted with cocoa powder. Start by making your dough. I'm just going to run through the process really quick here, but you can find the recipe and a more detailed step-by-step tutorial on my other glazed donut video. Now I am making a smaller batch for this video, so I cut my original recipe in half. This is the adjusted recipe and makes about 6 to 8 donuts. Once your dough is ready for its first proof, take this time to make the mascarpone filling so it will have time to set and thicken in the fridge. In a bowl, which we will use as a double boiler, you'll want to combine your sugar, egg yolks, coffee or espresso, and your liqueur and a pinch of salt. Whisk all these ingredients over a pot of simmering water until it thickens and turns into this beautiful pale color. It may take about 10 minutes or more. Whisk continuously. You can leave the alcohol out, but I think it's definitely a game changer and a key ingredient in classic traditional tiramisu. Once that is complete, remove your bowl from the heat and let it cool down to about room temperature. Now before I started, I took my mascarpone out of the fridge and let it soften for about 20 minutes. This will make it so much easier to fold into the rest of your ingredients and will prevent clumps and a chunky filling. Once your egg yolk mixture is ready, add your mascarpone and combine until it's silky smooth. In a separate bowl, whip up your heavy cream and vanilla to medium peaks. Then combine it with your mascarpone mixture. Once that's done, cover and leave it in the refrigerator for at least an hour to set up. Roll out your dough to about 1/2 inch thickness and cut into large circles. You can use these round cutters or divide the dough into 6 to 8 equal pieces and form each piece into a ball by rolling the dough between your fingers. If you choose to do it this way, make sure you don't overwork the dough and flatten the balls after you roll them. If they are too thick, it will take much longer to fry and the outside will get too dark before the inside is able to cook all the way through. Now let your donuts proof one last time and they are ready to fry once they have almost doubled in size. Let your donuts cool completely before you fill them. Only fill the donuts you are going to eat and keep any leftover unfilled donuts in an airtight container at room temperature until you're ready to fill again. Make sure you fill them generously. You'll feel the donuts start to expand. I let the donuts sit with the opening side on top while I fill the rest of them. Once done, finish with a dusting of cocoa powder.